In this module, we're going to talk about how to use PLR content the right way, legally and ethically, so you can build a business with confidence and protect your brand from day one. It's easy to assume that PLR means you can do anything you want, but that's not always the case. Every PLR product comes with its own license, and understanding that license is key. Here's the rule. Always read the usage rights before you use or sell any product. Some PLR licenses let you edit the content, add your name as the author, rebrand and resell, use it as a blog post, lead magnet, or course content. But others may have restrictions like just no selling on Amazon Kindle, no passing on the PLR rights to others, no using it in paid ads without modification. When in doubt, check the terms. If you're using content from the Digital Cashflow Vault, the licensing is already clear and safe for resale, editing, and rebranding. That's part of the advantage you get by using high-quality sources. Now let's talk ethics. Just because you can use PLR as is, doesn't mean you should. Selling unedited PLR is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with your audience. It looks lazy and it feels generic. The ethical way to use PLR is to make it better, personalize it, add your voice, and give your audience something that actually helps them. Even small changes make a big difference. And remember, when you customize and enhance PLR, it becomes a product that reflects your brand. You've transformed it into something new. That's where the real profit is. You're not here to cut corners. You're here to build a smart business, one that lasts, one that scales, and one you can be proud of. And that starts with understanding how to use PLR the right way. Next, we'll move into the fun part, how to actually customize and rebrand your products so they stand out and sell. Let's get into it.